What if you could launch your business with one platform? No mixed tools. No multiple subscriptions. Just your idea and an AI engine to grow it. Welcome to Launch Engine Pro Enterprise. Starting an online business can be overwhelming. You need multiple tools: website, email marketing, funnel builder, and more. Paying for all these can cost you thousands and you may not even earn yet. Most beginners spend over $2,000 per month on tools. That stops today. Launch Engine Pro Enterprise is your all-in-one solution. It's an AI-powered platform for beginners. We've designed it to help you build, market, and sell digital products easily. Everything is built in, no plugins or coding needed. Let's dive into how it works. First, the AI Business Tools Suite makes it simple. Need a sales page? Our AI copywriter generates effective copy in seconds. Just input your product name and a description. Want a digital product? The AI product generator outlines courses and ebooks for you. Need customer support? Our AI chatbot answers questions anytime. And don't forget, our AI image generator creates stunning graphics instantly. That's copy, product creation, support, and design, all powered by AI in one place. Now let's talk marketing. Building your product is just half the work. Launch Engine Pro comes with a complete email marketing system. You can automate campaigns effortlessly. The Funnel Builder lets you easily create landing pages and sales pages. Plus, our social media scheduler allows you to manage posts on all platforms conveniently. One engine covers traffic, leads, sales, and retention. With digital products, it's time to monetize your ideas. Create a beautiful storefront for ebooks or courses in minutes. Our checkout pages handle payments seamlessly without complex setups. Our course player offers everything students need, from video hosting to tracking progress. Let's compare it to other platforms. ClickFunnels excels for funnels but lacks AI tools. Kajabi is good for courses but has limited automation. Go High Level is powerful but overwhelming for beginners. Launch Engine Pro stands out. It includes everything you need for one price, making it beginner-friendly. As you grow, Launch Engine Pro supports you every step of the way. Our real-time analytics show you where your sales come from. Visual automation builds engagement effortlessly, and our affiliate system boosts your outreach. Every page includes A/B testing, helping you optimize as you go. Let's talk pricing. Separately, these tools would cost over $600 monthly. But Launch Engine Pro Enterprise includes everything at a fraction of that. If you've been waiting for a sign, this is it. Launch Engine Pro offers all the tools, AI features, and marketing systems you need as a beginner. Visit launchenginepro.com, create your account, and launch your product today. Your tools and AI are ready. All that's missing is you. Launch Engine Pro Enterprise, your business, powered by AI.